before. Mama cat went somewhere up in there, and she's just still laying on that trailer.
Oh, poor cows.
It's like Mommy's a scared cat.
Waiting for the big storm. And this big oak tree. I can't even get it all in one shot. It's so big.
Haunted tree.
It does look like a haunted tree, but it's huge. And I guess it's old, right?
This stuff your brother said is called Spanish moss.
Uh,
That's hanging from.
well, you're being recorded, you know, so. That's my husband speaking. But he doesn't want his face shown, just like I don't want to show my face. And old, right? Old and ugly.
I'm young and ugly.
Oh, he's young and ugly. That's funny. We're not ugly. We're actually beautiful. But faces aren't everything, right? It's, you know, look at that wind. My husband and I actually love thunderstorms, so we're kind of looking forward to this one. But oh, listen. It's thunder. It's thunder. Cool. It's when the lightning hits, strikes, then I have to go inside. Yeah, because lightning's not good. Although I do like to look at it. Got all the dogs in my bedroom. Just chilling. Hiding. My husband says they're hiding. Okay, I was hoping it would have started to rain by now, but we've already gone 2 minutes and just about 30 seconds. But you saw this huge oak tree that's in front of our house. Yeah. And hear the thunder in the background. Cool.